Remember buying software in a box? Today it's all subscriptions. That's software as a service, or SaaS. 1990s, early SaaS like Salesforce showed the model's power. 2000s, Gmail proved web apps could scale globally. SaaS became the standard for productivity, communication, and design tools. SaaS dominates business and personal software. From Slack to Canva, most apps live in the cloud. SaaS is like streaming for software. Instead of owning, you subscribe. AI-powered SaaS platforms that adapt to users in real time. SaaS turns software into a service you use, not something you own. It's here to stay.